So here is a cross section of the spindle. I will work on those discs here. Those discs, they keep the bearing in place, and they also make up that labyrinth seal there. I have seen that other YouTubers, they skip over that when they're working with the bandsaw and do the rough turning and all that. But not here. We will go into detail on how to do this today. I have this steel disc here, but I want to make two of them, so I want to split it here in the middle here. This saw is very good, but I say that always, it is too small, always too small. I have now welded this round piece here to a bar here, and this bar I can clamp here. So I will put on the fast forward recording now. I think it needs to go backwards a little bit there. Could perhaps work. Let's try it. And again, it's too short. A new setup, I had to re-weld here. Let's see if that works. But I have a solution for that. There's a bearing that isn't feeling well, I hear that here. Yep. It's done. I hope I will not break it. It worked. Buy more of those bearings, I think. Anyways, then that was done. So this is the first disc here. So final dimension is a 101mm outer diameter and a 60mm hole here. So I will do something that is not far away from that. Is it clean? It is clean. Except for that, but that doesn't matter. So the tip there probably broke there. I have to have a look there. But it cut nice. So let's see if this works. It worked fine. I will start to open up that hole here by facing outwards. Take it up to 50mm. Stop. I have to have some ship protection here, it was really a lot. So now we are all covered up. I will take it up to 58mm here, but I need that hard over here. It's a very nice cutting steel this. Anyway, so I think it is ready there. Here's another piece of stock. I will just turn into rough dimensions. And finally it will be 160 mm and this is 120. So I will just shave off a bit here, but on the same time try to get rid of that mark. That cannot be far away. No, there it is. So there's 2 mm left of the stock, so that is perfect. And a 10 mm hole for starting of the facing. I will just try to dial it in here, it's not so important I think, but yeah. Yeah, it's pretty obvious what happens when you do center drill. It was good that I checked here. They were the wrong dimensions I gave you. So the hole here should be 60, so I will take to something like 58 here. And the outer diameter should be 101 here, so I will take down a little bit more there. And as always, I start with some outward facing to make room for the boom here. Spring pass. Perfect. That's good, but I needed to have this to go down. What did I say in my note here? 101, but if I go down to say 103, 104. So while I was boring out that hole there, I built a small cage here. it is the ships are flying everywhere. Final diameter here should be 101, so I will go down to 103. Go. So I have I've turned it around and centered it up here in the diameter. We'll start here on the outer diameter and take it down to some 115 mm just to see that everything works and that I don't collide with the jaws and so. About 103 and something, yeah, that's fine. And the thickness is 16, and that piece will be only 10 there, so no, I just face it off. And that is all the footage I have on this.